Hey, Craig here. So in this video, in preparation for making punch dies, which is going to require a lot of boring, we're going to be testing out feeds and speeds for boring on the Tormach 770, right? So in this video, we're just going to be using a piece of 3/8 inch thick hot rolled steel. Basically, we're just going to be boring a series of holes 3/8 inch in diameter, 1/4 of an inch deep. Basically just jogging back and forth between different inches per minute and ramp angle. I'm going to be staying at 5,000 RPM throughout the whole thing. We're going to be using a 1/4 inch roughing end mill, the one I usually use from Lakeshore Carbide. Okay, we're all ready to go here. Got the material in there, got the end mill in there. We're going to be starting at 10 inches per minute at 2 degrees, pretty conservative. Now this is exactly why I have this cycle start checklist. I probed in the correct work offset. I had it in G56, but then the next thing on the checklist was file and correct work offset. I look on here and I'm in G54. I forgot to change it to a 3 in Fusion 360, so... Well, that was pretty smooth, but I'm sure we can do faster than that. We're going to move on to 15 inches per minute, also at 2 degrees. You know, it seemed to run smoother at 10 inches per minute. I think I may change this test and actually go with just 10 inches per minute. I mean, if I move on to 20, it may just be rougher. So I think I'm going to stay at 10 inches per minute and just see what kind of ramp angle we can get up to on it. Okay, so the third hole is going to be 10 inches per minute at a 3-degree angle. Okay, this is going to be 4 degree. Well, the 4 degree was definitely way too rough, so I guess somewhere between the 2 and the 3 degree seemed to be the best. I mean, to play it safe, I guess using 2 degree would probably be best. If you're trying to push it, maybe 3. But anyways, well, I thought I'd just do a quick unboxing of a gift that I had gotten from a viewer in the UK, actually. Cool. This is from John with I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Souk. Anyways, it's a paper towel dispenser made out of sheet metal. I guess it's aluminum. It looks pretty cool. He had seen some videos about punching holes, and looks like they punch a number of holes in here. So he was interested in some of the punching videos. So he sent this to me to show. So anyway, that's pretty cool. I'll have to put it up there on the mill. All right, well, cool. Well, thanks, John. I will put it to good use. I guess the paper towel lengths in the UK are different than America. He had asked me what width it was, and I said it was 11. He said it was a different width, so... Okay, all right, cool. Well, I'd be interested to hear what kind of feats and speeds any of you may have gotten on boring into steel. Feel free to leave them down, any comments down below. Alright, well, if you like this video, I'd appreciate the thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, there should be a button there. If you'd like to support us on Patreon, there should be a link up here. Some other videos you might like to watch over there. And as always, thanks for watching.